Once you've made onions like this, you won't want to eat them any other way. In a saucepan, start by adding 1 kilogram of onions, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, a little oregano, then some black pepper. Now let's add water until it comes halfway up the onions. Here guys, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, which I actually forgot to add. And now we're going to let it cook until the water reduces nicely. When it's like this, well caramelized, that's where it becomes perfect. Let's now give it a slight stir to distribute it all over the onion. Once that's done, now we just have to remove it and add it to a container. You're all set, folks. Now all you have to do is indulge yourself. And this onion turns out amazing. A delight, super quick, easy, and wonderful. Perfect for your lunch or dinner. Once you make it like this, you're going to love the result, folks. A combination of amazing flavors. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from me, the poor guy in the kitchen. A big hug. See you next time and thanks.